Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to make a smooth line chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, first and open Google Sheets and open your project Google Sheets, or create new project Google Sheets and open category and amount. Alright, and click on car and press shift and click on this and select all categories and amount and click on insert and search chart and click on chart. Alright, chart type, click on and search line and this smooth line chart. Click on and smooth line chart and click on this and switch rows, columns, and use row 2 hairs, use, right, and settings, customize chart style, background color and green, front, and this all fronts and roboto, and chart border color and black, and this black. Alright, double click, customize chart and axis titles, chart title, chart subtitle, horizontal and vertical, chart title. Okay, amount, write hello price, and bold, and color black, hello price, default auto color, right, and this or this and this, nice, and chart subtitle and no one, okay, buy me, bold and color red. Okay, and click on series and line color this, opacity, line dash custom or this, okay, line 8 pixels, point size and point shape X, and one moment, auto, okay, mirror and data labels. Alright, bold, text black, legend, position inside, okay, none, horizontal axis and vertical axis, grid lines and ticks, marker, alright, line color orange and this, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.